Play balloon, go!
Tanggal. Natanggalin mo lang, oh.
Play, oh, play the balloon. Play, oh, play.
Hindi nagpa-follow si Rory. Tatanggal mo lang, oh.
Play the balloon. Play.
Tatanggal mo lang ganyan, oh.
Play the balloon. Play the balloon.
Wala mo bumalik, magbalik.
No.
Balik, oh.
Bubbles.
Yan, very good.
Bubbles.
More.
Bubbles.
Good.
Bubbles.
Buzz Norm Star.
Bubbles. Gusto mo?
Lagay mo.
Next tayo. Next, go.
Lagay mo, oh. Tanggal. Eh, pinapagawa ako sa'yo. Tanggal mo yung rubber band. Tanggal.
Sakto, Zach.
Ito, oh, meron pa. Rory, hindi ka nakikinig. Tanggal mo yung rubber band.
Yes, fire. No, back away first.
Saktan siya.
Back away.
Ilang yan? Tanggal ka.
Usually basic needs. Opo, pamilya.
Good.
So, yung sign mo na yun. Na may liga. So, kunyari, alam niyo naman yung gusto nila, di ba? So, French fries.
Transfer with the use of the spoon. Ay na. Lagay mo doon sa pako.
And I also have here,
Wow. Almost done. Go.
Bubbles. I have bubbles here. Alam galing kong bubbles kanina. Okay, here, bubbles.
Go.
Look up.
Bakit hindi nakaano? Dapat yung ganun. Oh. Lagay mo, ah. Oh. Okay, ganyan. Lagay mo ng ganun, oo.
Bubbles.
As opposed to ganon, alam mo na, ay, okay. Ganun. Dito steps. Kasi ano naman siya. Conversation. Bye-bye, ganda. Mami, may... Bye-bye po. Kanina si Johan may casual. Kasi po, siyempre ano siya.
Or, gamitin mo yung spoon. Sabi ko, gamitin mo yung spoon, eh. Ay, naku, si Rory, oh. Gamitin mo yung spoon, sabi, oh. Susunod pa tayong activity. Or, more protector.
Kanina si Zach. Bye-bye. Bye-bye, Johan. Love. Bye-bye. Ikaw, hindi ka bye-bye.
One.
Pick it up. Kunin mo. Kunin. Rory, kunin.
Parang tumataba ka, bro. Kunin yung glass yung dalawa.
Tapon. Huwag mo natapon. Daming tapon, Rory. Oh, no. Be careful. Huwag magtatapon. Go. Fix. Oh, no. Si Rory talaga, oh. Please scan your books, please. Talaga to si Rory, oh.
MJ.
Dalawang piraso, dami mo.
Kano siya nag-aaral?
Scan books lang, scan books.
Kabuhayin din ang gas ko na.
You're not transferring, ah. You're not transferring. You need to be transferred. Do not. Rory. Oh, you put here na. You put here. Put here. You put here na. Hindi nakikinig si Rory.
No.
Oh, go. Rory! Rory!
Ow!
Wala na si Rory.
Hi, Kel.
Not listening si Rory. Very good, Sabriana.
Terminator.
Pakawin muna natin yung butterfly.
Goodbye, butterfly.
Goodbye, goodbye, butterfly.
Goodbye, butterfly.
Goodbye, goodbye, Scorpio.
Ah, bird.
Goodbye, goodbye, ladybug. Ah! Ah! Yes. Goodbye, goodbye, grasshopper.
Goodbye.
Bye.
I
Goodbye.
don't care.
Okay, that's all. Close it.
Sit.
Hi, Sabriana. Sit down properly lang. Where's the, where's the cover?
Cover.
Yeah, where's the cover? Where did you put the cover?
Where's cover?
Oh no! Where's the cover?
Cover.
Saan? Wala! This is another toy. Sit down, Sabriana. Nahihilo ako. Ay, Lord. Asa na yung cover? Sit down.
Where's cover?
I don't know nga eh. Ayun. Hindi pa sinasabi ni teacher na i-open.
Sit down!
Okay, ready? Work, Rory, work! Simple task lang yan. Transfer. Rory, you pay attention. Hawakan mo yung spoon ng maayos. Yes, it's water beads. Slowly. Yan, very good si Sabriana. Transferring. Oh no! Dami nang nahulog.
99.
Oh, now you put it here. Very good, Sabriana. Go, 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 Rory, transfer. Hawak mo yung glass. Hawak mo yung cup. Hawak, hawak the cup. Ay, nako, si Rory hindi nagpa-follow. Use your spoon, Rory. You put it in the cup. Use your spoon, put it in the cup. Oh, you put it here na. Put here. Put here. Good. Oh, more, more, more. Dahan-dahan, Sabriana. More pa, more, more. More. Agi, nawawala siya sa concentration. Go. Sabriana, finish. Ikaw mag-transfer. Hawakan mo ng spoon. Oh, sandali lang, si Rory. Where is the boy playing drums?
No.
Correct. Where is the girl playing hula hoop? Correct. Where is the boy playing with cars? Correct. How about the robot? Where is the robot? Good job. Next. Where is the teacher? Correct. Where is the student raising his hand? Raising his hand. Where is the girl touching the book? Rory! Rory! Next. Who are the people in the neighborhood? In the neighborhood. In the neighborhood. Who is this?
Doctor.
Doctor. This one?
Teacher.
Teacher. This one? Hairdresser. This one? Dentist. Galing magbasa. This one?
Man.
Postman. This one?
Astronaut.
Astronaut. Rory. Who's this?
Pilot.
Pilot. This one? Wait lang. Sabriana. Who's this? Police officer. Or, Sabriana. Author. This one.
Firefighter.
Ang galing. Pareha sila ng skill. Paramedic. Oh, you sit down. Ikaw, who's this?
People at work.
Oh, people at work. How about this? Who's this? Ballerina. How about you, Sabriana? Sailor. How about you, Rory? Nurse. Very good. How about you, Sabriana? Waiter. How about you, Rory? Musician. Soldier. Mechanic. Chef. Bus driver. And artist. Okay, high five. High five. What animals do you see?
Open.
What are the animals do you see? I see. What do you see inside? Sheep. What else?
Ay, nako.
Horse. What else?
Ano mo yun?
Cow. What animals do you see, Rory? Dog. Very good. What else? Ano pa? Meron? What's that? Pig. Okay, let's open. Okay, ready? We have the dog. Sandali lang. Si Rory, isa-isa. We have the goat. Then we have the Carabao. Then we have the pig. Sa'yo yan. Sa kanya yan. Do not get. Kung ano yung binigay sa'yo, yun lang. Donkey. Sheep. Horse. Okay. Do not get. Protect yourself also. Okay. Chicken. Dog. Oh, ito. Rooster. And the goose. Do not get. What is that yours? Ay, si Rory.
No.
Okay, ready? Tuturuan ka na classmate mo, Rory. You're not following instruction eh. Oh, you put it here.
What are you doing?
Rory, you use the spoon. Use the spoon. Gabriela, use your spoon. Slowly. Use your spoon, Rory.
Lana. Good. What's funny? What's funny?
What's that?
A pink water beads.
Water beads.
Yes.
What's that?
Oh, do not break it. You put it here. It's a pink water bead.
Sino susunod ko after?
Go, go, go! Very good, Sabriana. Rory, use your spoon. Very good.
No.
Back away.
Oh, put here, Rory! Lagay mo na dito. Ilagay mo na dito. Oh. Put here na. Oh, that's. Sabriana, come on.
Oh no!
Sabi mo sa kanya, use your spoon, Rory!
This is spoon! Rory!
Rory, you use your spoon!
Yes, bye-bye. Bye-bye, Parcha.
Ate Sam, namiss ko na si Lance! Wala si Lance?
Tyler!
Oh, next. Back away next.
Going to transfer, okay? You're going to use the spoon. Okay? You have to transfer with the use of the spoon. Lalagay mo doon. Okay, ready, get set, go. Go, go, go. Let's match. Where is Carabao?
Very well. Thank you.
Mali, Carabao. Oh, how about you, Sabriana? Sheep or ram? Where's the ram or the sheep? Correct. Okay, where is the horse? Oh, asking ako eh. Okay, good.
Hindi mo talaga pinakawalan, no?
Where's the
Ay,
goat?
hindi.
The goat.
Oh, where's the goose?
Doon ka.
Where's the goose? Next. Where's the dog, Sabriana?
Dog.
Kelvin po.
Where's the chicken?
Basang-basa, mami. Yes.
Where's the
Okay
donkey?
naman siya.
Donkey.
Yung mga complaints po niyan,
Where's the cow?
tinanong ko na po na tayo. It's very normal.
Where's the goose? Another goose.
Sakto ka.
Where's the pig?
Um,
Okay, we're done. Very good.